Okay, this video demonstrates the Part B section of your manual, page 143, on observations of a block of wood. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is if you can get these parts yourself, these materials, you should do it yourself, and I think you'll learn a lot more. You have a block of wood, you have a measuring tape that has both inches and centimeters on the other side. Oops, this side has centimeters. And then you want a measuring cup that has both the English system, which is cups, ounces, quarts, and then on the other side they have the metric system, which is liters and milliliters. So to get started, the first thing they want you to do is to measure the perimeter of the block, and that's done simply by taking your tape and wrapping it around it, like I just did, and then to take a reading from there. Now for the metric side, you're going to be reading right about there, okay? Right where my thumb is. And then on the other side, you're going to flip it over and read the bottom row, which is the centimeter side. And let me see if I can get it on there right. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. I'll try to take a picture of that later. Okay, so that's the perimeter. It's measured in, that's for distance. It's measured in centimeters and in inches. Now you're going to, they want you to take the volume of your block, and you can do this by following the directions. It says to fill your cup first, or your measuring cup, with 500 mLs of water, which I have done, and then take your block, and instead of using a wire, I used a kebab stick, and you just place it in there. So we went from 500 to 675, okay, 675. So your new volume is 675 milliliters. Then you're going to change to the English system, and it asks you to go up to the 20 ounce. So I'm going to go fill that up with 20 ounces of water, up to 20 ounces. Take my block again, stick it in there, and my new volume is 22 ounces. Okay, so you've got the the mass and the perimeter. And the last thing they want you to do, you're going to take the weight of the block, but you're going to do that by measuring, watching the video that I showed you, and then reading it off the little file. So the next part, you're going to fill your measuring cup up to 4 cups, which of course is equal to 1 ml. No, sorry, which is equal to 1 quart. Sorry, I didn't have enough water. Okay, so I'm going to keep pouring until I get up to the 4 cup mark, which is right there. Oops. Okay, right there. And now I'm simply going to turn the cup around and read how many mLs are in 1 quart, because on one side it's a quart and on the other side it's a liter. On this side it says 950. Okay, so 950 for your volume, for the amount of milliliters in a quart. You can also do this by doing a conversion using the table that's on page 143. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.